Building confidence. Steps you can take. Building self-confidence is a gradual process that involves changing your mindset, behavior, and self-perception. Here are some steps I've taken to build my self-confidence and how you can do the same.
Start with self-acceptance. Acknowledge strengths and weaknesses.
1. Start with self-acceptance. Seek and acknowledge strengths and weaknesses. The first step in building confidence is accepting yourself as you are. Recognize both your strengths and areas for improvement without being overly critical. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reinforce self-belief. Daily affirmations like, "I am capable," or "I can achieve my goals," help reshape your mindset over time.
2. Set small, achievable goals. Start small.
2. Set small, achievable goals. Start small. Begin with small, manageable tasks that are easy to achieve. Each small win builds your confidence and prepares you to tackle bigger challenges. Track progress. Keep track of your achievements, no matter how small. This helps you visualize your progress and reinforces your confidence.
3. Embrace failure as a learning experience. Learn from mistakes.
3. Embrace failure as a learning experience. Learn from mistakes. Instead of fearing failure, view it as a valuable learning opportunity. Reflect on what went wrong and how you can improve in the future. Resilience. Building resilience through challenges strengthens your confidence. The more you bounce back, the more assured you become in your abilities.
4. Surround yourself with positive influences.
4. Surround yourself with positive influences. Surround yourself with people who uplift and encourage you. Positive social support plays a crucial role in boosting your confidence. Limit negative input. Reduce exposure to negativity, whether from people, media, or your own inner critic.
5. Take care of your physical and mental health. Exercise regularly.
5. Take care of your physical and mental health. Exercise regularly. Physical activity improves mood and reduces anxiety, which can significantly boost confidence. Mindfulness and meditation. Practices like mindfulness and meditation help you stay grounded and calm, improving your self-awareness and confidence.
6. Step out of your comfort zone. Challenge yourself.
6. Step out of your comfort zone. Challenge yourself. Confidence grows when you step out of your comfort zone and try new things. Start with small challenges and gradually take on bigger ones. Celebrate growth. Acknowledge your courage and growth every time you step outside your comfort zone, regardless of the
7.
outcome.
Continuous learning and skill development. Invest in knowledge.
The more knowledgeable and skilled you become, the more confident you feel in your ability. Take courses, read books, or pick up new hobbies. Practice makes perfect. Repetition builds mastery, and mastery builds confidence. Practice your skills regularly to gain confidence in your abilities.
8. Seek feedback and act on a constructive criticism.
Don't shy away from feedback. Instead, use it to improve. Constructive criticism is an opportunity for growth. Adjust and improve, implement feedback, and notice the positive changes in your confidence level.